Okay guys, so next up we've got the Abis 8850. This has got the Abis Plus core in it, as you can see the plus sign there, and of course it's complete disc detainer lock with 11 discs in it. 9 discs actually, sorry, and then obviously this one here is your zero cut disc, obviously, which is where it tensions from. Obviously you've got butterfly discs top and bottom. I'll leave some pictures up in the corner there, and then of course you can tension bottom or top of these locks, and then of course once you've got everything into the true gate, obviously you just need to find your zero cut and counter rotate the butterfly disc to actually get it open. So wonderful locks. When I did the Abis 8840, I tensioned off the bottom with a cheap Chinese modified pick. This time we're going to go slightly different actually. I've built this one from the scratch, no Chinese bits in this one. I've got a 20mm aluminium handle there, just with a 8mm hole, so 8mm tube going through it, 6mm tube going through that, and then I've actually drilled a hole in the 8mm tube, so I can actually change these tips around, so I can either have a longer nose, shorter nose. I've actually done it in such a way that I can actually have an Abloy classic pick tip in it as well, so I can actually tension from the top or bottom with this one, and then the injector pins for actually using for the picking tips on this particular one. So yeah, it's come out really well actually. Got a few ideas from Ian Smith. I'm going to leave a link for his YouTube channel up in the top corner there, and of course some of the other ideas which I've come up with myself. So yes, it actually works really well, as you'll see. So obviously we're going to tension from the top, and then sort of go through the disc stack, and then of course once we get it picked, of course I'll show you all the discs inside. Listen, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please hit that subscribe button and that bell icon, and you'll see every video as it's uploaded. Okay guys, so next up of course we've got the Abis 8850. So let's get this in the vise. Okay, of course it's working absolutely fine, as you can see there. Okay, let's rotate all the discs clockwise as far as they will go. And of course we're going to go in with the super duper little pick. Okay, so let's get that into there. Let's pick up disc number 1, make sure we're nice and square on it there. Okay, and start with disc 2. Okay, little click out of 2, little click out of 3, little click out of 4, else on 4, little click out of 5, just 6, nothing on 6. Let's see if we can get to number 7. Okay, where's number 7 go? Let's just get ourselves squared up there a bit. Okay, that's good. A little click out of 7 there. Okay, 9. Eight. Jump through 8 that time. Okay, that's 8. 7. 6. Okay, let's start at the top again. All the way up to 2 minutes, not too bad. Okay, now everything's in a gate. It's a little easier to work out which one's the true and false gate now. Okay, little click there. Okay, nice little clip there. Nice little clip there. Nice little clip there. Okay, that felt good. Okay, that's good. Just testing now because everything's in a gate, so I just need to make sure we don't over. Okay, that's good. And there you go, we're open, so not too bad actually. 3.5 minutes, not too bad with that, quite happy with that. Tell you what we do, we'll take it apart and I'll show you all the discs inside. Okay, let's get the pinning tray over. The awesome pinning tray that Matt's lockpit made for me. Okay, so of course we just take the screw out the bottom there. And put that out there, and the two little ball bearings there as well. Hope they'll come out. 1, 2. And of course we can remove this clip now. Just get it all squared up there. Obviously the back of the key just works as a tool to remove this little clip at the back there. Twice as times you can use your fingers. Okay, done that over there. Let's remove the core. And the actuator, all the bits and pieces come flying with it then. Okay, dump that over there. Obviously you just need to see this bit here. Put that there. Actuator, bits and pieces over there. Okay, so we've got the sidebar still engaged there, as you can see. So we'll just take that out. In fact, I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll take the disc out first. Obviously we've got the spinner, and the first one there, and then your butterfly disc, obviously in the first one there. Okay, then we've got the spacer. Let's just get that spacer out. Dump the spacer over there. Next disc, I'll go through these in a minute. Obviously that's got false gates on it. And the spacer. On there. Get the spacer out there. Another disc. Sidebar's just falling out there. Another there, another disc. Okay, another disc there. Let's get these. Let's just take it out completely. There you go, that's good there. So of course we've got the spacer there, which we'll just take out there. All the spacers are the same in the lock. Come on. Let's just put that over there. Another disc there. Another spacer. And of course the other butterfly disc there. Obviously this is just the carriage there to hold all the discs. And of course that's the sidebar there, just a bar. Okay, let's get you zoomed into this. Okay, so of course we've got butterfly, we've got the spin on the top, which is just a spin and no gates. We've got one gate on the butterfly disc at the top, and there's also one gate on the butterfly disc at the bottom. And then all the rest of the discs have got 2 false gates, as you can see there. Obviously 2 false gates there. Obviously I'm holding the true gate there, and so on and so forth. The last disc there, once again you can see it's got false gates on every single one. So wonderful locks to pick, they really are. I really enjoy picking the Avis Plus cores, and obviously the spacers are all exactly the same. They're just very, very fine little spacers to obviously make sure that you can only rotate one disc at a time. And that's it. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed that. I'd say pretty much, obviously, they're very similar to the Abus 8840. Certainly to pick, they're just great fun to pick. Listen, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. And of course, I'll be catching up with you very shortly with another lock. Listen, take care, guys.